Hi guys, good evening. So tonight we're gonna make broccoli and mushrooms in oyster sauce. So the first thing we're gonna prep is a pot with hot water, and we're gonna blanch our broccolis. So I have cleaned and cut these broccolis already. So just put it in the hot water. So I bought a kilo of broccoli, and now we're gonna make it boil for 5 minutes. After which, remove the strainer and drain the water. So the longer that you boil your broccoli, the softer your broccoli will become. So if you want to keep your broccoli nice and crunchy, just boil them for less than 5 minutes. So now after 3.5 minutes, I'm happy with the cook of my broccoli. I'm now going to turn off the flame and strain the water. So after you remove your broccoli, it should look something like this. Just keep it in a strainer. So now get another pan, a stir-fry pan. Put a table or two of olive oil. And saute your minced garlic and your 1/4 minced onion, 7 garlic cloves. Now once your garlic and onions are cooked, the next step is to put your 15 button mushrooms sliced. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of Chinese soy sauce. Next step is to add our 1/4 onion cut into strips. And we're going to put a tablespoon of sesame oil, some black pepper, mix it up, and now it's time to add our broccoli. Look at that nice green color, beautiful. Next step is to add 2 tablespoons of Mamacita's oyster sauce. And 2 tablespoons of water. I'm just going to use the water to get the excess. So once all your ingredients are mixed, it's now time to cover the pot and let this steam for 5 more minutes. So after 5 minutes of cooking, the last step is to make sure to taste the sauce. The taste is perfect. You can adjust if you want it more salty, or if you want it sweeter, you can also add a little bit more oyster sauce or brown sugar. But for me, I'm good with this, so turn off our flame and we're ready to serve.